All right, guys, live from New York. We are in ISC East, and this is the Genetec booth. Bear with us, it is really loud. It is a busy booth, but we have Tom today that will show us some new products. Hey, Tom.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good, and you?
Good. I'm the Director of Technical Training at Genetec, and it's a real pleasure to talk with you guys today. Here we're showcasing Genetec Security Center. For those who don't know Security Center, it's a unified platform that is unique in that we run the core logic to have video, access control, license plate recognition, all open architecture from a variety of vendors brought into one seamless interface. So what that means is you can reach your security objectives much faster. For example, if we have a biometric access control event, there's no task switching from interface to interface. The event pops up, we see access is granted, or perhaps we trigger a threat level, the operational state all changes. What this does is it coordinates a series of actions behind the scenes, which works flawlessly simply because it's a unified platform.
And now I see all those analytics at the same time, and I'm wondering if it's storage based with a server or is it cloud storage?
Everybody's talking about the cloud right now. Our approach is we're hybrid first. We want to make sure our customers can choose an on-prem server if that's what makes sense for their deployment, or full cloud. We have many customers that are full cloud. More and more we're seeing customers that want to transition, and they're being very conscientious about which workloads they decide to run locally, for example an access control logic close to the doors, versus in the cloud, for example long-term storage or federating to connect different systems together that are trusted. So we're hybrid first. You can go all cloud, all on-prem, or anywhere in between that makes sense for you.
That's interesting. And also, I see that you mentioned an axis here, so you guys, for those who don't know, Genetec can integrate with pretty much everything?
We are open architecture. It's in our DNA since the beginning. So we look for the best of breed partners that have a strong cybersecurity posture, and if you meet those criteria, we're integrating with you. That's our philosophy. So yes, we have a very long list of supported devices. We're always looking to add new ones, keeping pace with the technology landscape.
I love that, I love that. And right now, I can see on the screen, we're in the Jabit Center, right?
Yes, why don't we pop into a map? This is actually our booth. Sorry, we don't see you here. We didn't know you were coming. And so yes, we can interact with the real-time state of the system by acknowledging an alarm, or perhaps viewing some video in real time, perhaps exporting video and so on, interacting with doors, with intercoms to place a SIP-based call to perhaps a colleague. So real-time communication, mapping, awareness of our surroundings. And why don't we pop out to the bird's eye view again? And we see some license plate recognition happening. You can see on the Cloud Runner camera beside you, we're tracking plates. It's all integrated, perhaps matched with hot lists, or simply for general security.
That's amazing, honestly. There's so many things going on right now on the street.
Gunshot detection, identification, video analytics, counting people, tracking. So yes, of course, when we work with customers, our goal is not to necessarily overload the user, it's to simplify it down to the exact workflow that makes sense. So here, of course, in this demo environment, it's the all-included version, the all-dressed pizza, if you will, yes.
I love that.
Yes.
Well, Tom, thank you for having us today in your booth. Any shout-outs you would love to give before we leave?
Shout out to everyone in the industry. You're the ones who make it happen.